Two big names in CRM go head-to-head. Zoho CRM versus Freshsales. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zoho CRM. Comprehensive features for every business size. And on the right, Freshsales. AI-powered sales-first CRM designed for efficiency. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what these platforms actually offer. Each round earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you.
Here's the game plan. We're looking at pricing, AI capabilities, automation, reporting and business intelligence, ecosystem, and support. I mean, that's pretty much everything you need to know before signing up for either platform, right?
So first up, pricing. Zoho CRM is kind of the king when it comes to bang for your buck, honestly. Not only do you get a ton of features for a lower upfront cost, but the Zoho One bundle, you get like 45 plus apps. That's wild. Of course, if you're a smaller business and you just want a CRM, it can feel a bit much if you don't need all those extras. Now, Freshsales has a really affordable core CRM. And you know what? There's even a free plan. That sounds great at first, but if you need more advanced stuff, you'll be adding sweet features or add-ons. That can get pricey pretty fast. So if we're talking best value in 2025, Zoho definitely takes the cake here.
Next, let's talk AI capabilities. Zoho has this thing called ZIA. Scoring, forecasting, anomaly alerts, all the cool buzzwords. But catch this, you actually need their enterprise plan and like 20 plus user licenses just to get the full AI experience. Freshsales, on the other hand, brings Freddy AI into the mix even with its lower tier plans. That means predictive scoring and deal insights are way more available for small teams. The caveat, they're still rolling out some features, but in terms of actually getting useful AI right out of the gate, Freshsales wins this round. Moving on, let's chat automation. Zoho CRM goes all out with these low-code workflows and their blueprint stage gates. You can build super customized automations, but okay, it does take a bit of time to really master everything. If you want drag and drop ninja level automations, you'll have to invest the brainpower. Now, Freshsales gives you basic trigger and sequence-based automations for sales. That's quick and easy. But if you're hoping for broader marketing journeys, it's not all in one spot. You have to layer in other Freshworks products. So for sheer firepower and flexibility, Zoho runs away with this one.
Quick pause! Did you know that both Zoho CRM and Freshsales offer GDPR compliance and EU/UK data hosting? Yeah, in case you're freaking out about your customer data, you can breathe easy. Let's jump into reporting and business intelligence, because everyone loves a good dashboard. Zoho CRM has some pretty intense native reporting. Plus, if you plug in Zoho Analytics, you're swimming in full BI capabilities. Like, for data geeks, it's a dream. But yeah, it can get overwhelming for smaller teams who just want a couple charts. Freshsales has decent reports and dashboards out of the box, and you can add more with marketplace extensions, but honestly, their native BI is just meh. So if top-tier analytics is your jam, Zoho's the clear winner. Now, ecosystem. Zoho isn't messing around. They have a totally unified suite. Zoho Desk, Zoho Books, Zoho Analytics, the list goes on. It's like building your own office from one brand. Of course, for tiny businesses, that much stuff can be, well, a little overwhelming. Freshsales is no slouch though. It slots into the Freshworks family, so you can pair with Freshdesk or Freshmarketer or whatever you need. But managing all those integrations can be a headache. When it comes to a seamless business ecosystem, Zoho is out front here. Finally, support. Okay, so Zoho CRM offers customizable onboarding, and you can even work with one of their partners for setup. But if you want premium support, there's an extra fee, which is, not ideal. On the other hand, Freshsales brings you 24/5 phone, email, and chat support, even on their standard plans. And you don't pay extra for that. The only catch is it's limited to specific regions. Still, if you need quick help, Freshsales really shines here.
If you're visualizing all these points in a radar chart, well, Zoho's strengths jump out in pricing, automation, reporting, and ecosystem. Freshsales keeps it tight in AI and customer support. So they each have their sweet spots, depending on what you need.
All right, here's my honest take. Zoho CRM is basically the Swiss Army knife. You get everything, sometimes more than you bargain for. But if your team is mostly focused on sales and you love snappy AI features plus solid support, Freshsales is a great pick. So if you want an all-around platform for your whole business, Zoho's your go-to. Sales first team, Freshsales might just nail it for you. Want to find that perfect CRM fit for your business? Go explore, compare, and see which platform matches your workflow. Dive in. 2025 isn't going to wait for